I'm gonna break the whole manufacturer game down, bro. Like, if you got a clothing page, matter of fact, make sure there's no if. It's 2023, bro. Instagram, TikTok, any app, you should have a clothing page on that app, bro. Like, there's no reason. Like, it's 2023. Like, world, are you standing on the corner putting flags up or got a nigga flipping the sign with your clothing brand on it? No. Go ahead and get on the internet game. Hey man, it's your boy TechQuiz TV. I'm back with another video. In this video, I got another motherfucking banger for y'all niggas, you feel me? Like, as y'all see in the title, my niggas, today we're gonna be showing y'all how to break down how to make a clothing brand from, I can't talk. How to make a clothing brand from top to bottom, you feel me? I'm gonna break it all down to y'all. But first thing first, you feel me? I just want to acknowledge one of my videos, like, I'm posting this on my second channel. One of my videos on here got like, I had to do a tutorial on like how to get money on, you feel me? But that whole like got a lot of views and comments and shit like that I never seen because I don't be on my second channel. But I just wanted to give y'all some bangers and some tips on this channel, you feel me? So this is exclusive for this channel only, you feel me? So I just wanted to acknowledge that because I'm gonna be breaking down more shit like how to do I gotta be on my other channels like how to do mock-ups, all type of shit. But I'm gonna bring them to this channel like how to, you feel me, do it the right way. But that's besides the point, you feel me. Now if you ain't check out, I just recorded another video, how to get money. Like it's going deeper into what the first video was about. So off the rip, I'm gonna tell y'all go watch that one first and then come back to this one. Like, but if you already know, you're not worried about all that shit. For the people who here just strictly for the clothing brand shit, hey, I'm gonna get straight into it. Now, boom, on my phone, I got a few things written down, like it's gonna guide me through the video. I'm gonna take y'all through, I think, 5 different points to help y'all get started with y'all clothing brand or help y'all boost y'all clothing brand a little bit if you just now getting started and shit. First thing first, you feel me? If you brand new to the clothing game, off rip, you gonna need a logo, a design, you feel me? So boom, if you don't have no creative bone in your body, like you just can't do none of that. It's a website called Kittl, so Kittl, Kittl.com, you feel me? It's like 15 bucks for the little membership shit. Like, go ahead, bro. Like, when you invest in yourself, bro, be willing to, like, spend your last 15 on a gram of weed or 2 grams of weed, nigga. But you won't spend your last 15 to improve your clothing brand. Like, come on, bro. But yeah, spend that, or just, it's free shit on there. But like, I would recommend you spend that little 15 real quick. And then boom, it's like templates on there that you can use. That's like, you can check on. Some people you can't copy and shit, paste that shit, but some shit is like free templates and shit that you can use, you feel me? But yeah, go ahead, go there. You can make your logo there. If not, go to datfont.com, you feel me? Datfont.com. It's millions and millions of cold ass fonts on that bitch. Like, you just gotta search through, find the ones you like, find the ones you do, whatever you gotta do. But whatever you gotta do to get that design or that logo, even if you gotta pay, if y'all want to, bro, DM me at TechQuiz, bro. Pay me, I'll design your shit for you. Like, I'll do that shit too. Just tell me you came from my YouTube. If you don't tell me you came from my YouTube, I might not respond. Like, because nigga, I don't just be designing nigga shit. But if you look at my merch, I got nice designs and shit. Like, but if you from my YouTube, I'm gonna fuck with y'all niggas. Free game, free sauce. I don't sell, like, I don't be trying to push no products and shit to y'all niggas. But yeah, go ahead, do that. Or you could, it's other design spaces where you could pay niggas to make logos for you and shit. But yeah, go ahead, do that. So logos and designs out the way. That's the first thing on the list. A name. Alright, boom. Young Money, Cash Money, Getting Money, Lil Ronnie, Get Cash, Fast Cash, all that shit. Bruh, nobody, like, hella niggas be doing that. Hustle hard, nigga, 2 phones, nigga, like, hella niggas, like, I'm not gonna say, I'm gonna stop cursing, like, I'm gonna stop cursing a lot, you feel me? A lot of people, like, gonna have this copy and paste, like, you trying to be, like, catchy and shit, but like that, it's not gonna hit. Like when you think of brands, Nike, Amiri, Adidas, nigga, Versace, nigga, YSL, like you feel me? Like every brand, Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Prada, like Apple, like it just come off the tongue. Like my camera, Canon, like it just come off the tongue. Like nigga, nobody like nigga hustle too hard. It's not finna be like come on, bro. Like you feel me? Keep it smooth, gang. Like you gotta think about shit like niggas just think about like I'ma just make shit I wanna like you gotta think of some shit like that. Like boom, Steez. My closest brand name is Steez, bro. Now do your research on what Steez means. So I'ma type in on Google Steez. What do Steez mean? Steez, typing it on Google. A person distinctive and attractive or impressive style or of dress or ways doing things, my nigga, you feel me? Also, it got two definitions. The quality of being effective, stylish, or fashionable, you feel me? So, Steez has a meaning like, Steez, it come off the tongue like Steez, like I'm saying it, like, come off the tongue, bro, like, make your shit like something that's hard, but like, make it something that just roll off the tongue, bro, like, you don't gotta do no too simple shit, but like make it something that's like relatable, cool, like come off the tongue smooth, pause. Come off the tongue smooth is crazy. But alright, so next thing, you got your logo, your design. Now you need merchandise, my nigga. You feel me? Now you need merchandise. Now it's two routes you wanna go, like it's two options, two paths. You can go pre-order or you can go pre-made. Like, and what does this mean? It's really a few options. So pre-order is, okay, you got your site, all type of shit set up. I'm gonna do a whole other video on how to set up your own website and all that shit. I got y'all. Just let me know in the comments what y'all need, like, from me, and I'll make a whole video for it. Like, even if it's one nigga who need it, I'll make a whole video for that one person. I said I was gonna stop cussing. Fuck it. But boom, I'm gonna make that video like if y'all need it. So pre-made versus pre-sale. So pre-order. Pre-order, somebody, so boom, you get the phone, you got an order on your phone. Now you make the shirt or your manufacturer makes the shirts and they send it out. So that's how that process works. It's like, it's more to it, obviously. I'm gonna do a whole separate video called pre-order versus pre-made, but that's the basic concept. Like you don't have the shirt made or the shirt's not made yet. Once you get the order, that's when you feel me, make the shirt, then send it out. Now, the pros and cons, shipping, it's probably gonna be a longer process because you still have to make the shirt, then ship it out. If you do it, but I'm gonna give y'all some sauce. If you're doing it through like a print-on-demand website, you don't have to worry about any of that. Like, so Teespring, Shopify, all you doing it, boom, Teespring, you make a Teespring account, boom, you put the logo on design on the tee, you put it for sale, boom, somebody buy it off the website, boom, the order go through. Teespring themselves make the shirt, manufacture shirt, and then they send it off and everything. So you don't have nothing to do with it. You just sell designs, make your profit. Now, that's the pro, all that shit. So you don't have to spend no money up front, all that shit. So that's the pro of it. Now the cons, I'm not gonna lie. If you use something like Teespring, the base cost, you're gonna have to, it's gonna come out whatever your price. So say a shirt is $14, $13 to make. So that's for the cost of the shirt itself or whatever you got, the shirt itself, plus the manufacturing of like the materials. So that all gonna come into a price, and then that price is gonna be taken from whatever you sell the shirt for. So if my shirt is $40, but it took me $13 to make it, go ahead, do your little math. 40 minus 13, that's how much profit you making, you feel me? So you're not making the full $40. That's the only downside I can say. But that's pre-order. So pre-made is you go through a manufacturer, or like I got a printer, like I got a Kittle where it vinyl cuts everything, Like, but I also do it like on Alva Online, where like this is like locally. Like, if you wanted something custom made, I will make it at home. If not, I do it through manufacturers. Okay, pre-made. So basically, say you get with a manufacturer, I'm gonna break the whole manufacturer game down, bro. Like, if you got a clothing page, matter of fact, make sure there's no if. It's 2023, bro. Instagram, TikTok, any app, you should have a clothing page on that app, bro. Like, there's no reason. Like, it's 2023. Like, world, are you standing on the corner putting flags up or got a nigga flipping the sign with your clothing brand on it? No. Go ahead and get on the internet game. But yeah, once you're on there, like, there is no reason why you shouldn't be posting and promoting your clothing brand on that app. Like, first thing first, if you're not willing to put the work in, like, click off the video. Like, you shouldn't even be watching this to this point. Like, you gotta be willing to put the work in. But boom, hella niggas gonna DM you. Like, just post. I don't know. Like, it's two places, China and Pakistan manufacturing. Those gonna be the places. Like, no funny shit. Like, I can check my DMs right now. Like, I gotta go to my clothing page. Like, now I got 50. I got more than 15. Cause I got some right here and then I got some in my hidden. Nigga, these all manufacturers from different places. They just randomly hit you up and be like, oh, they're a manufacturer. They do this X, Y, and Z. Like I'm gonna put y'all on game. Pakistan, the ones in Pakistan, they gonna probably be the cheapest. Quality wise, you just gonna have to find a good manufacturer for the best quality. I'm not gonna pick and choose. But to avoid getting scammed, break down your payments in 4 payments. So, boom. One, you gonna pay them 25% of it as soon as you see them first start working on the product. So, like, you see the materials, you see everything, you got everything, you sent over everything. When you see them, like, first start making the process, that's when you're gonna send 25%, like, down payment. So, boom. And this shit down, make sure, like, sometimes as a business owner, bro, you gotta let your nuts hang a little bit, bro. Like, some shit gotta be non-negotiable. Like, they hitting you up especially if they hitting you up to work with you, like, this shit non-negotiable, bro. Like, 25% then, alright, you gonna send me an update, show me, like, you might not be done with all the pairs. You only might have 1 pair done. Alright, send me that. That's gonna be another 25% then and there. Now, boom. Once production is finished, you gonna get the third 25%. Once you send my tracking number and all that, that's when you get the final payment, and that's when we good for business. You feel me? So I will always avoid. That's the best way to avoid scammers. You rather lose 25% of your money, 100% of your money. And yeah, that's that. Now, so that's pre-order versus pre-made, but well, that's just getting it pre-made. Now if you made them yourself, you could just ship them out fast as hell. It's screen print. You could do vinyl print with a circuit and do a heat press. There's options. I'm gonna do separate videos for that, but like homemade, you can do them homemade. You can do them through a manufacturer, but pre-order versus pre-made, that's pretty much all you need for that. If you got more questions, I'll break it down in the comment section. And that skips over the manufacturer scam because I broke that down. But right now on my list, I got marketing and promo. My lips dry as hell. And my throat dry from talking. So marketing and promo, my nigga, you feel me? What you gonna need? TikTok, Instagram, all that. If you're not on there, if you're on there bullshitting, you really on there for no reason. Cause like you just on there socializing, bro. You got an opportunity to build your brand, your business. You got an opportunity to do things with your life, bro. You're wasting it. Now, every day, everybody got TikTok and Instagram, especially with my age, bro. Like, you got that shit, man. So go ahead, nigga, put a little work in. You feel me? Go mock-ups. You got mock-ups, all type. I think I got a video on how to make the best mock-ups on my channel. Mock-ups, you feel me? Cool designs, like all graphics, all type of shit. You gonna want to put them on your Instagram, your TikTok, bro. Like, just go ahead, put the work in, do all that shit, cause you want the best results. So nigga, most work you put in, the better the results. So you get that out the way, you doing promo. Now, this is what I say. TikTok is the best place because, nigga, that's where you can get a lot of eyes without people, like, knowing your brand. Like, Instagram, you might not go to no nigga clothes. Unless it's on your Explore page, you're not going to no other clothing brand because you don't know them. Like, you're not going to be knowing to know to go there. But, boom, you on TikTok, you scrolling on For You page, a nigga see your clothing brand hard as fuck. Like, damn, I wish Steve's, what is this? Like, oh, this shit hard. Let me fuck with this. That's when you gonna start gaining the audience. So TikTok, I feel like it's a good opportunity to get your brand out there. Instagram, definitely have an Instagram, like, cause the TikTok to Instagram, the Instagram got a shop feature you can sell there. And also as well, Instagram, that's when they can reach out to you. They can see more things. Like, what are you as a brand? What do you stand for? This, that. It's more personable. So it's a better experience. I feel like Instagram the best experience for shoppers to view your brand. Like, what is your brand? What's behind your brand? And plus, you're going to want them following your Instagram so they can keep being updated about, like, new things, all type of things. Now, those are just a few tips I got for marketing. Like everything I just listed, I'm gonna have a whole separate video for each step. But this is just the totality of it all, you feel me? Now, last thing on my list, consistency. Consistency is the most important step on this, bro. Like, LeBron, MJ, Tom Brady, anybody great, you feel me? Drake, Jay-Z, like, anybody great, bro. Floyd, anybody great put the hard work and grinding in, bro. Now, if you're not willing to put that in, bro, ain't even no point of doing this shit. So you gotta put the hard work and dedication in. First thing first, like, well, last thing on my list, but first thing first before any of that shit, your mindset gotta be, I'ma work my ass off. So, like, this how I see it, bro. To me, I always go in the mindset with, me not working my ass off never gonna be the reason I'm not successful. Like, if I feel like if you're not successful and you look back and you be like, damn, I could have worked harder here, and here, that's on you, bro. Like, you should never, like, when shit hit the fan or all fall down burning, you shouldn't be able to say I failed or this failed because I didn't work hard enough. Like, get that out the way first. Like, that's gonna help you the most, like, before anything. But yeah, I'm at 16 minutes on my recording, so I'm gonna go ahead, you feel me, let y'all niggas go. But these things you need to start a clothing brand. I'm gonna do more in-depth videos. But yeah, if you made this point of the video, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. It's your boy TayQuiz TV, and I'm out.